For the kids watching us grow, for the ones coming next, from the island heart to the city lights. Listen up, yeah. I grew up seeing pain behind a smile. Island breeze, but the struggle was wild. Some homies lost, chasing quick escape. Powder in the hand, man, it poisoned the fate. I've seen mamas cry, fathers work late, trying to put food on a cold plate. I told myself I won't follow that road. I carry my name, carry blood in my soul. No shortcuts now, I clock in early. Hands get dirty, but my heart stay worthy. Future in my mind, every step that I take. I do this for my people, not the likes, not the fame. Stay away from drugs, keep your mind clear. Go get a job, help the ones who raise you real. Slow life, good vibes, yeah we build, we don't rush. Future generations watching how we live up. Awale alui fuala ofa saina. Fa mama luma fa fa ya manino luala. Alu galue fe swa suani le aiga. Ofa na oteo oloti la tilo malava. I ain't perfect, yeah I made mistakes, but I learned from scars, not the easy way. Seen friends fade out, chasing fast thrills. Now they stuck in the past while the world still builds. I choose peace over drama and noise. Rather laugh with my family, the kids' voice. Pay rent, pay bills, still dreaming big. Show the youth you can grind and still live. From the block to the beach, same mindset. Respect over fear, that's a real asset. I don't need change just to prove I'm a man. I provide, I protect, that's the plan. Living good. Stay clean, stay strong, yeah we stand tall. For the family name, yeah we answer the call. Ya tu maui le ala sao awale fefe. God first, family next, yeah that's me. Slow down, breathe in the ocean air. Life's heavy but the load we share. If you fall, get up, keep moving on. Your story ain't done, you still belong. Good. I'm building something they can be proud of. Not just money but the way I show love. Teach my sons, teach my daughters the truth. You don't need poison just to get through. Work hard even when nobody claps. Real ones move quiet, stay on track. I rap this life so they understand. You can come from nothing and still be a man. To the next generation, choose life, choose family, choose purpose. And if I go feel it, holla. Hey, Olga, I'm doing this for you.